Hey everybody. Babe, I made some cookies. Would you like to try something?
Yes, I would. Thank you.
Yeah. Remember that espresso sugar we bought in Annapolis before the pandemic? Wow.
I see it here.
I found it and I thought, let's put it on a cookie. Let's give these a shot. These are so, pardon my French, so damn good. I think we should head into the kitchen and make some.
What's this one?
You guys want to come with us? We're going to make some of these espresso sugar shortbread cookies on my mom's recipe box.
Do not miss it.
Do not. See you soon. Hi everybody, welcome to my mom's recipe box. So today we're going to be making shortbread cookies with an espresso sugar topping. And the whole reason I want to make these shortbread cookies for you today is because the last time we were in Annapolis, we found this really cool little shop called the Tea and Spice Company, and they make this little packets of espresso sugar. Doesn't that look adorable? I hope that this business is still around after the pandemic has decimated state small businesses, but just in case, I want to celebrate them today by making a shortbread cookie with this espresso sugar. This is a really easy recipe to make, so let's get going. The first thing I want you guys to do is we've got to preheat the oven to 325, and then we are going to get all the ingredients together and we're going to put these cookies together. Super easy. Okay everybody, what you're going to want to do is in your food processor, you're going to want to do the butter and the sugar, then the vanilla and the salt. Process that, and then add the flour gradually and process. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl and keep processing until you get a nice soft dough that looks like this. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do here is you're going to roll out your dough, put a little butter on your fingers. The dough should go in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes before this step. Otherwise, it's going to be really sticky. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do, guys, is sprinkle on the espresso sugar on top of the cookies and then get them in the oven, 325 for 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have them, guys, a gorgeous pan of delicious, crispy espresso sugar shortbread cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.